your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, you're clear.
We are now en route to the Disneyland Resort Main Entrance Plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme parks, the Esplanade between the parks, or in the downtown Disney District. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please be sure to keep your ticket. Just ahead is the downtown Disney District, with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's left. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort.
Once again, folks, please remain seated with the doors completely closed and the driver has come to a full and complete stop, and I've indicated it is safe to exit from the driver's left-hand side. I'll be the driver's left-hand side only. Please lower your head, watch your step, gather all your belongings, and have a magical day.
Oh, baby, go! You too.
Have a good one. Thank you.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
You have to go home. Thank you, Chloe. You don't have a choice.
우리 몇 층이야? 정아 우리 1층이야, 2층이야, 3층이야?
Okay, I think that there's physical player cards, so just go and print the stuff. He'll have to show you the player cards.
Driver, you're clear.
And I'll show you that, okay?
정아 우리 미끼에
If you will be returning to the park later today, please keep your ticket to re-enter.
어디다가
If
프레스
you'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today, just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. You can enjoy magic all year round by upgrading your ticket via the official Disneyland app before the end of the day. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you please observe this speed limit and yield the right of way to Disneyland vehicles, whether you're walking or driving. We are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram stop, which serves the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step, exiting to the driver's right. On behalf of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. Once in your car, please be sure to buckle up and have a happy and safe journey home. This tram will be returning to the main entrance plaza in just a few moments.
Just a reminder, folks, you'll be exiting to the driver's right-hand side. Wait till the tram comes to complete stop, and then when the gate is safety, exit to the driver's right-hand side. We're almost there. Thank you.
와 여기 와봐.
Wait till the tram comes to complete stop. You'll be exiting away from the bushes. Driver's right-hand side. Wait till the tram comes to complete stop. For your safety, please hold it, please. Hold it. Hold it. Exit driver's right-hand side. Lower your head. Watch your step. Carry your belongings. Have a good night. Be safe. Thank you for coming. Right-hand side. Have a good night. Be safe. Good night.